Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the market here. I'm going to look at the S&P 500 in great detail and go over exactly what you should be expecting due to this last couple of weeks that we've seen a downturn in the market. So I'm going to go over some specific levels here. First and foremost, what I want to kind of discuss is the short-term action. So the short-term action here, we had, to me, what looks like a false breakout. So we had this previous all-time high that was made back here in January. Okay, here's that previous all-time high right there. All right, we broke over it right here. All right, just a couple months ago. Used it as support right there. Notice how we're respecting that same level. Okay, there it is. And here we are using it as support. Here we are just previously, just a couple days ago, we used it as support right there. Okay, then we broke back under it. All right, that's not what you want to see for a bullish trend. Okay, you want to see, once we break over that resistance, you want to see it keep bouncing and then continue higher. Okay, we did not do that. All right, we did not do that. So that's the first kind of sign that we could be heading lower from here, even more so than where we're at. So in my opinion, if we do head higher, if we get some kind of relief rally into on the S&P 500 about 2850 all the way up to about 2880, I think that is a good shorting opportunity. We also have, if you draw a Fibonacci retracement level from the high here to the low of today, you've got the 61.8 that matches up right around 2880, and also you have the 50-day moving average that's right there as well. Okay, so you've got the Fibonacci retracement level, you've got the 50-day moving average, and you've got that previous support, which is now resistance level, all matching up right around that same area. Okay, right around 2880, 2870, around that general area. So if we do head higher in the short term, I believe that will be a good shorting opportunity, as I do think in the short term we will continue lower. I don't think today's low is going to be it. Okay, I don't think it's going to be it. I think we still have lower to go. But let's kind of pull it out here and look at 3 years of action. All right, 3 years of action. So clearly, we've seen some dips here in the last 3 years, and they've all gotten bounces. Okay, this one over here, this dip over here, this dip over here, this multiple dips right here. Okay, and they've all gotten bounces. All right, so if you pull it out back, pull the chart back and look at 3 years, this is kind of just a blip on the radar. We're still really close to all-time highs, so you got to keep that in perspective. Could this be the end of this little bull run that we've seen, or this major bull run we've seen? It could be, but we don't know that yet. Okay, we don't know that yet, and I want to point out this major uptrend line that's been valid for 3 years now. Okay, more than 3 years, but I'm just showing 3 years of action. So here's that trend line. It started here. There's a bounce. There's a bounce right against it. Here's a bounce, another one, and we're still well above that level right there. Okay, we also have, if you draw a trend line, the downtrend line that kept us down from here to that high, matches up perfectly right around there. Okay, oops, it didn't stick. So right around there is where that downtrend line is now going to be support as well. So that's another level of support. We also have horizontal support as well. If you look at, if you just look at this area, okay, we traded sideways a lot within this area. Okay, when you trade sideways, that creates a lot of support if you're above the level. If it was above us, that would be resistance. But since price is currently above this level, it is support. So you can clearly see it was resistance right there. It was support right here and right there. So right around this level, about 2,700 to use a nice round number, is a level here that I definitely think we can get some bounces against that level. If we end up heading a little bit lower, another major support level is right around here, and that level is on the S&P 500, right around 20, just below 2,600. Okay, about 2,580. Okay, about 2,580 is that level. Right around there, you can see we bounced from it there, right here, and also a little sideways trading against it right here. Okay, so that's these two major levels here are definitely, I think they're going to get hit. Okay, I definitely think the market is going to head lower, most likely into these levels. Is it going to happen, tomorrow or the next day or next week? I don't know. But I definitely think that whenever it happens, it is most likely going to happen, just given, the false breakout that I talked about earlier, and so on and such forth. But again, you got to keep in mind this long-term trend here is, and this is what it's really important when you see big moves like this to kind of pan out and look at the last several years, because then you get a much better perspective of what's going to happen. And you have to use these major levels here going back, a few years, when the market's getting hit like that. So you got to be prepared. What are you going to do when the market hits these levels? Are you going to buy? Are you going to wait for a reversal signal here? I know what we're going to do when it gets there, and I know what our members are going to do, but that's for them and them only. So that brings me to my next point, or it's a question rather. So answer this question honestly. Are you unhappy with your results in the stock market? Do you wish that you could get better results? And are you sick and tired of watching the stock market boom while you've got nothing to show for it? No results. Or maybe you make a winning trade here or there, but at the end of the day, it's a very common story. At the end of the day, you're losing money. At the end of the week or the month, you end up giving those gains back. It's about consistency in your trading. And I want to let you know that if you haven't been able to get that consistency in your trading, it doesn't have to be that way. Okay, there is a way to make consistent returns in the market. And a way that you can do that is by joining the tradinganalyst.com and getting access to our real-time trade alerts. And these are always pre-researched by me. And these are both buy and sell alerts sent via text message. Whenever I'm buying something, I'm sending you an alert. Whenever I'm selling something, I'm sending you an alert, all in real time. And these are with exact entry and exit parameters, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. You're always prepared. And this is going to allow you to start making money in the market right now. While most people were struggling in the market the last few weeks while it headed lower, we actually made money last week, and this week we're breaking even at this point. And that's saying something, because most people aren't breaking even. They're actually losing a lot of money, and we were able to save ourselves this week. And this is because we have a proven system, okay? And you're going to get access to this proven system when you join today, all right? And this is going to save you time, because right now what you're likely doing is going over a bunch of charts, doing a bunch of analysis, reading a bunch of news articles, or watching CNBC. And at the end of the day, it's not really producing any results for you. So it's a complete waste of time. If it's not producing results, it's a waste of time. So it's going to save you time, because you're not going to have to do that anymore, because we do that for you. We do the analysis, we do the trades, we do everything so that you don't have to do it. Okay, we're professionals. This is our profession. Okay, you can focus on what you do best in your job and in your life, so that we can handle that for you. And this is going to allow you to trade from anywhere. As long as you have your cell phone, you're going to be able to participate in these winning trades every single time. And the goals here for the easy to follow real-time trade alerts are about 8 to 10 winning trades per month. Kind of varies with the market conditions. If the market's choppy, we're not going to issue a bunch of trade alerts. We like to focus on quality, not quantity. Okay, and this month we're at about 8 winning trades so far, so we will surpass that number for this particular month, just kind of giving you an idea of what to expect when you sign up today. And the goals here also are 100% to 500% returns per trade. Sometimes we make more than 500%, sometimes we make less than 100%. Kind of varies depending on the market situation. And we trade a lot of options, and that's how we're able to achieve these kinds of gains on a regular basis. The last goal here is $100,000 in annual returns, and that number is very realistic for you when you're making these kinds of trades that we're making on a regular basis. So when you sign up and join today, you're not just getting those easy to follow real-time trade alerts, and that's valued at almost $3,000. You're also getting the options masterclass, the exclusive millionaire trader videos, and the professional trading watch list. And you need all of these in order to be successful in the market. You need to know how to trade options. We have a simplified approach that you can use that's valued at almost $1,000. The exclusive millionaire trader videos updated every single week, and it gives you a look inside the head of a profitable and winning trader. That's myself. And I'm covering everything from trade reviews to what's going on in the market, to educational material that I think will be important for you to learn in that very moment. It's all about kind of real-time education as opposed to kind of the recorded educational videos that we also do, like the options masterclass and all the other educational material that you're going to get when you sign up today. So the last thing here is the professional trading watch list. And you need to come prepared every single day to make money in the market. If you're not making a watch list, if you're not having a plan of action, then you're likely going to fail. And this simple but powerful thing is something we do every day, and that's valued at $597, and you're getting instant access when you sign up and join today. And that brings it to a total value of everything that you're getting today at $5,588. All right. But you don't have to pay that, all right? You don't have to pay that $5,588. You can get access today for only $699. This is a limited time offer, and this is $699 for the entire year. You're getting access to the real-time trade alerts, the options masterclass, the exclusive millionaire trader videos, as well as the professional trading watch lists. And to kind of put that in perspective of the value that you're getting, if we broke it down into a monthly payment, it'd be about $58 per month, which ends up being cheaper than a cell phone bill. Okay, my cell phone bill is $100. With my wife, it's almost $200 that we're paying for our cell phone bill. So for $58 a month, you're going to get something that returns on your investment. Okay. Cell phone bill does not return on your investment. You pay it and it disappears, and that's it. When you're joining this program here, you're getting a return on your investment because those trades are going to make you money. And if you break it down into a daily rate, it's $190 a day, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee. Okay, so for the price of a cup of coffee, you're getting something that is so much more valuable. And I want to warn you guys that this special offer, it's ending soon. Okay, this is a special offer. It's a limited time offer. And if the page says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and you won't be able to join the program. So by waiting to register, you risk losing your spot. We have to limit the amount of people that we can take in because I'm investing my personal time and attention to each individual member. And I hope that you would want that individual attention because that's how you succeed in the market. So that's why I have to limit the amount of people that I let in. Right now, we do have a few openings. That's why I'm making this video. That's why you're watching it right now, because we do have some openings. So once the capacity is met for the amount of traders that we can help, then that's it. Okay, 0 people will be allowed in after we've met the capacity. Okay, a lot of people when we've had openings in the past, they come and they beg me to let them in. They say, I'll pay the $5,000. And I say, I'm sorry, it's not about the money. I just can't help you right now. We've met the capacity. So I don't want that to be you. I don't want you to miss out. If you want to join, you got to do it today. And I highly suggest that you do so. So when you join, you're no longer going to have to struggle to make money in the market. You're no longer going to have to wonder what it's like to make consistent returns in the market. And you're no longer going to have to watch the stock market boom while you have zero results to show for it. And you've come to the right place, okay? You've come to the right place because plain and simple, we help struggling traders get results. We help people start from zero results or losing results even, and now in turn making them consistently profitable traders, all right? So again, for the price of a coffee a day, you can make daily profits like these. And these are real gains that I've made, daily gains, $800, $1,900, 73 bucks on a low day, 1,700 bucks, almost 2,000 bucks, almost 500 bucks over here. And again, you're getting access to every single trade that I make in real time. When I buy something, I'm sending you an alert. When I sell something, I'm sending you an alert, and it's all in real time. And so here's what you need to do right now. So click the button below this video and fill out the registration form. Then you're going to be able to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video. A lot of services out there, they just slap you on the butt after you sign up and send you on your merry way and hope that you have success. We don't do that. We hold your hand throughout the entire process, and that's the first step, is that welcome video. Then you can get started right away with the training material. You know, it's not just the options masterclass. We actually have just shy of 30 videos in the full educational suite that you're going to have access to when you join today. And you can get started right away. You don't have to wait. Then all you have to do is get ready for the trade alerts. As soon as the market opens, you're going to get access to those trades, and we're going to start issuing those alerts to you, and you can start participating as soon as the market opens. So just scroll below this video, and you're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up and join today. The watch list, the member videos, the full education library, everything. And you're getting that for just $6.99 for the entire year. That's an 85% discount here. And all you have to do is click that button right here, and that's going to take you immediately to the 100% secure checkout page. And then all you have to do is fill out your first name, last name, your email address, your password. You can choose your password here, and your phone number here. We need the phone number in order to send you the buy and sell text alert, so make sure it's a valid phone number that you receive text messages on. And then all you have to do is fill out the billing information just below. And once you do that, you can come up here and click the agree with terms of service button. You have to do that before you either click submit your order, or if you want to check out using PayPal, you can do so right here. And if you're checking out with PayPal, of course, I'm sure you know how it works, but you won't have to fill out your billing information here. You can do that on the PayPal website by clicking this button right here. And that's it. So hit the submit order button or check out with PayPal button. Once you do that, you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about. Most importantly, you're getting instant access to these real-time trade alerts that are sent via text message. Anytime I buy something, anytime I sell something, you are getting an alert with exact, precise entry and exit signals. And that's it, guys. So I look forward to seeing you in there. I look forward to helping you out on a continuous basis, growing your account month after month, year after year. I'll see you in there.